Hello everyone, welcome to this video presentation on understanding MVP or minimum viable product. My name is Earl Juventus and today we'll be discussing key technical terms related to MVP. To start, let's define what an MVP is. An MVP or minimum viable product is a version of a new product that includes just enough features to satisfy early users and provide feedback for future development. It's a strategy used by startups and business to quickly launch a product and learn about customer needs and preferences. Minimum viable product or MVP. Let's talk about the minimum viable product itself. An MVP is designed to test a product idea and minimal resources and gather user feedback. For example, instead of building a fully functional app, you might start with a basic version that has only the core features necessary for the product to work. This way, you can validate your concept and make improvements based on real user data. Next, we have the value proposition. This is the promise of value that your product delivers to customers. It explains how your product solves a problem or improves a situation for the user. For example, if you are developing a fitness app, your value proposition might be helping users achieve their fitness goals more effectively through personalized workout plans and tracking features. Next, we have early adopters are the first group of users who try your product and provide valuable feedback. These users often more willing to deal with initial imperfections and exchange for being the first to experience new innovation. For instance, tech enthusiasts who are always looking to try the latest gadgets would be considered early adopters. Next, we have a pivot. A pivot is a significant change in your product strategy based on the feedback you receive. It could mean changing your target market, altering your core functionality, or even completely rethinking for your business model. For example, if your initial product is not gaining traction, you might pivot to focus on a different feature that users find more valuable. Next, we have the product market fit. Product market fit, it is the degree to which your product satisfies market demand. It's when you have a growing base of satisfied customers and your product is gaining traction in the market. Achieving product market fit means your product is meeting the needs of your target audience effectively and there's a sustainable demand for it. Next, we have the real world example. Let's talk at a real world example. Dropbox, a well-known file hosting service started with a single MVP instead of building a fully functional app right away. They created a basic video demonstrating the product's concept. This approach helped them gauge interest and gather feedback from potential users before committing to full-scale development. And we have discussed key terms related to MVP or minimum viable product value proposition. Early adopters iteration, pivot, and product market fit. Understanding this concept is crucial for successfully launching and developing a new products. I hope I hope this presentation has provided you with a clear understanding of the technical terms related to MVP. I encourage you to apply this concept to your projects and experiment with building your own MVPs. Thank you for watching and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments.